to approve the actual invoices in the amount of $525,961.57 for the period October 24th to November 7th.
I'll make that motion.
Second.
Seconded. Any questions or discussion? Roll call.
Mr. North?
Yes.
Mr. Hughes?
Yes.
Mr. Pacini?
Yes.
Next, we'll consider a motion to approve the actual payroll in the amount of $323,187.13 for the period October 19th to November 1st, 2020.
So.
I'll second that.
Properly moved and seconded. Any discussion or questions? Hearing none, we have a roll.
Mr. North?
Yes.
Mr. Hughes?
Yes.
Mr. Pacini?
Yes.
The next item is to consider a motion to adopt the Human Services Plan for fiscal year 2025-26 pursuant to the provisions of Act 80 and the rules and regulations of the Pennsylvania Department of Public Welfare.
I'll make that motion.
Second.
Properly moved and seconded. Any questions or discussion? I just add that this was the completion of the thing that we talked about at previous meetings over the last 2 months, and it's a routine process. All in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carries. The next motion we'll consider is one to appoint the following individuals to the Board of Directors of Menlo Park: Sean Cooper, Melanie Garris, Terry Rupert, Jody August, David Cooper.
Make that motion.
I'll second that motion.
Properly moved and seconded. Any discussion or question? Okay, the only thing I would add is the commissioners are grateful for these ladies and gentlemen to stand up and step forward and serve the county in this capacity. All in favor? Opposed? Motion carries. The next item is we will consider resolution number 2025-0, approving the local match required for the Area Transportation Authority for fiscal year July 1st, 2026 through June 30th, 2027, the amount of $120,599.
I'll make that motion.
Second.
Second, for those who have been through this process in the past, this again is an allocation. Counties, each county that is covered by ATA considers this match money, which is what it is for ATA, and the amount listed is the amount for Jefferson County. And it is something that is taken into consideration annually by each of the participating counties. And each county is, their amounts are different. Is it per county?
It is.
Thank you. Any question or discussion? Could we have a roll call on that?
Mr. North?
Yes.
Mr. Hughes?
Yes.
Mr. Pacini?
Yes.
Our next item is a motion to consider designating Wynn Dobson and Foreman as the county engineer for project studies, evaluation, and general consultation services.
So moved.
I'll second that.
Properly moved and seconded. Wynn Dobson is our current engineer. What this motion is considering is extending that relationship into the future and for purposes of transparency and information to the people. The Board of Commissioners had gone through an evaluation process. Different firms presented both their proposals by way of cost and services provided. And we had some very good presentations from different companies interested in serving Jefferson County in this capacity. We've selected Wynn Dobson out of that evaluation process. Okay. With that, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carries. All right. Do we have anything for public information? I do not. Okay, public comment. We have the sign-in sheet. Thanks, Elise. Okay, Mr. Greeley,
Yes, sir. Good morning.
the word's yours.
I guess about 6 or 7 months ago, I came in and asked a question about taxation of movable sheds. Gave you the rules and laws of the county from this county solicitor that has been adjudicated. Haven't heard anything. Which way you guys have decided to go on that? And if you don't have an answer by now, I have some more material for you to look at. It's a case from the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, adjudicated through the Commonwealth Court, and the ruling from the Assessors Association of Pennsylvania. I have copies of it, of all of them here for you, which both state that it is illegal to tax movable sheds. Gives you a list of everything on here that is taxable and things that are not taxable. Now, I don't know if you've talked to your fellow down here in the assessment office or not, but he knows the laws because I found out he is a member of the Pennsylvania Association of Assessors. This is the law from the Association of Assessors for Pennsylvania. And it specifically states that they are not to be taxed. So I guess my question to you would be, why are you allowing him to steal money from the township, from the county? That's what it is. It's an illegal tax that is being allowed to be collected by the board, by you. I would like an answer to that.
Okay, thank you.
You
Anything
know,
else?
Well, yeah, it's been, what, 7 months now since I asked the question. I'd like an answer. I'd like you to put it to a vote to see whether you're gonna allow him to keep doing this or if you're going to follow the law of the state of Pennsylvania. Because the way I look at it, he is not only thumbing his nose at state law, he is doing the same to you guys because he's putting you in the position of having to make a decision that you shouldn't have to make. It is not, I don't know where to go from here. There's only one other place to go. I talked to him once and he argued with me over this, which I know now what the law is. I'm not going to argue with him again. I don't want to talk to him again. The next step, he will talk to some people that will set him straight. If you guys won't do it, it will get done.
All right, thank you, Mr. Greeley.
I'm not going to get an answer to this.
No, thank you.
Do we have copies of that?
We'll get it after the meeting.
Okay.
All right. Mr. McGinnis.
No comment.
Okay, so we'll close public comment and, Patty, anything?
Not today.
Okay. Justin?
Not as such, other than, general questions about the election, but I assume you're gonna have an election board meeting.
Next Tuesday.
Okay, then,
Yeah.
I have nothing further.
Okay. And we determined to do it then because we should have our final count accomplished.
That's what.
We'll be at our level where we can announce official results. But I would go so far as to say that we're grateful to all the people who work and staffed the precincts. We're very grateful to Karen and Angie, Dinas and Austin Miller for the work they did to make the wheels turn well. But we can get into any level of detail that you'd like at the next Tuesday's board election. Unless you have something else. You had kind of an inquisitive look in your iPad. Is there any, you want to revisit anything?
I just wonder what time it is.
11, I think.
Yeah, 11.
Since jail board.
Yeah.
11:30.
Yeah, thank you for that correction. Jail board will be 11. School election will be Okay. I will close media questions. Anything else? Consider motion to adjourn.
So,
Second.
Moved in second, all in favor? Opposed, motion carries, we're adjourned.